everybody. Today is Sunday, and we on our way to, where we going? Sam's or Costco's?
Restaurant Depot. You know where you just...
Because we need other items.
Okay.
Well, we on our way to Restaurant Depot, according to Dane. Yeah. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Remember to watch my entire video. It helps my channel when you subscribe, click the thumbs up, and watch the entire video. I know I double said that, but it don't matter. I keep telling you, I keep on changing it up, and it's gonna get better with time. So yeah, that helps my channel big time. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to my OG subscribers, people who've been with me from day one. Thank you for coming back to my channel and always watching my videos. Thank you. So we're gonna get this day started, y'all. I got my little girly girl stuff on because y'all know I wear a lot of black, even though I still have on black. So yeah, y'all see I got pink on today, trying to look a little girly. Because I've been feeling like I've been giving like boy vibes. I said that in the other video. I think that was yesterday. I think I said that in the yesterday's vlog. But I can't believe that can y'all believe I've been vlogging every day?
Yeah.
Well, just about every day.
Yeah.
Vlogtober is, like I've been saying all along, Vlogtober is hard.
Who came up with Vlogtober?
I don't know. It's just what people doing now. I think, you know what? I think what it is the big YouTubers. They trying to get their revenue up because it's the end of the year. And you know, this is when you got to pay taxes and all that stuff. So if you get more videos out, that means more money. You get a bigger check for, you know, this month. You know, and they do it in December, but you got to think you don't get that check until January. So if you do it before, then you just kind of, your revenue will be up. So yeah, I think that's why people do it. I'm not a big channel. I don't make nothing at all. Everything I spend on my channel come out of my pocket. So I'm just doing it. What?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, baby. Say what you gotta say.
Go ahead, baby.
I'm just saying, it do. Everything come out of my pocket.
I'm finna say, good times.
Good times.
Why would you say that?
Good times.
Exactly. The same thing I'm saying, Damon. Why would he say that?
Good times.
I don't get that statement.
You don't know what Good Times theme song is?
I do know what Good Times theme song is, but I don't.
That's what
I don't get what that has to do with what I'm saying. Explain it to me.
Sing some of the words to the Good Times song.
Never mind.
Good times.
Never.
You don't even know the word.
Scratching and surviving. Good times.
Exactly.
Okay. Never mind.
Exactly, because that went over our heads.
2 times? Okay.
Yes. How many times did you say it? Two. Did you say 2 or 3? That went over our heads. But if y'all got that, leave that at the bottom because I clearly didn't get it. I do know what Good Times is, but I really didn't understand what he was meaning when it was referring to what I was saying. Yeah, you know, I'm surprised that I really stuck with this Vlogtober because like I always say, I really don't do much, and yeah, it's kind of hard vlogging and talking to the camera and not really doing much. But we get ready to go to Restaurant Depot, and we're going to the mall. We out early when you think about it. What time is it? Like 11 o'clock? 11? It's almost 12 o'clock. We out early. We don't usually be out like this. You think so?
I think Kool-Aid.
But yeah, we out here early. this ain't even us. Usually we just slumming and bombing. Okay, y'all, we made it to Restaurant Depot. We're actually in the freezer part. It's cold, huh? It's freezing. It's freezing in here. Look, you girl being real extra. But this is like their freezer that we're in, and it's freezing cold in here. Super cold.
Wanna go? Wanna go?
Where you wanna go?
Yeah.
Those are goats. Real goats.
But this is basically what's in here. Like I said, we're in the freezer. We haven't went over to the meat area yet. It's freezing in here. It's cold. It's cold. Super cold. Where we get this brisket from? I normally get my briskets from here, but I actually want to see what's the price of the chuck roast. I'm looking for the roast. Let's see.
Hey, you can't be filming my meat.
Why not?
We got a no filming policy.
Yeah, right. No film policy. Let me see. Chuck roast. Man, I don't want this much. Okay, I'm gonna go back over here with them. But I really wanted to see the price of the chuck roast. Here they are down here. It's freezing in here. Oh my God, it is so cold. When you come in here, you most definitely have to have a coat.
I will take my whole face into my jacket. Look at my Omega.
That's how you know it's cold. I keep yawning.
So swarming.
Yeah, apparently I.
Zip your jacket up further. Oh, okay, never mind. Do you?
This is how I zip up my jacket.
You gotta
Break your bones!
Okay.
Break your bones.
Don't be so loud. We don't have to be. Your daddy is in here like it's.
He in here like it's 97.
Exactly. Get what you're gonna get and keep it moving. Okay, yeah, we decided to come to Twin Peak. This is what they menu look like. Okay, we at Twin Peak. This is our first time ever being here. And we decided to sit outside because it's real good. Cheers, y'all.
I did my
It's
circle.
not blinking.
And I did my red.
I've been recording all the
I
time.
did my green.
This is really good.
Red.
Like it ain't no liquor in it.
I'm
Good.
Quiet.
You guys is here. Yum, yum, right?
Hey, stop stealing my food.
Is that yummy? Wow, those wings look real good. Hopefully it's coming in.
You'll catch up there?
I mean, you good. Can you see it? Yeah. Not you. Oh yeah, this is a very saucy burger. Let's try these wings. Wings, wings, wings. They're juicy.
I'm sorry.
This drink right here took forever. And this was called orange something mule. Orange buffalo mule. It's actually pretty good. It most definitely has a, you know, the typical ginger beer. I can most definitely taste that. And the orange. It's pretty good. Damani didn't like her wings. Lay myself. Most definitely.
Oh, you get the one with the bread.
Tori's all my fries.
Yeah, but sometimes you think that because when you because when you go to like what's the name of the place? No, the Buffalo Wild Wings. No, not Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, Wingstop. When you go to Wingstop, their wings is different. You know, and they naked. They not breaded. What y'all think?
They're mighty quick.
It was good. It was good.
We want to go home.
Yeah, the restaurant Twin Peak. I don't know if y'all got this in y'all area. Pretty good. Pretty good.
And we had a good waitress too.
Yeah, she was most what was her name?
Meal.
Jamia or something like that?
Meal.
Jamil.
Meal.
No, that's not right. Stop saying that.
I don't know what her name was, but
Yeah, Jamil, something.
Right.
or maybe that's why her shirt said her thing said meal.
Right.
Yeah, she was pretty good. She was a really good waitress. She helped us because this was our first time and we didn't know what the heck to order. So yeah, she was really, really helpful. Really helpful. So now we get ready to go to Sam's. Only mistake that they made, let me back up before I talk about Sam's. It took my drink forever to come. They didn't have some ingredient that goes in there, and I hope it wasn't that whammy ingredient.
Whammy.
Right.
I'm just saying, something that don't supposed to be in the drink.
What up?
I'm just saying. Yeah.
When did they see put on?
I don't know, because we right here at Sam's.
What that mean?
Hopefully it wasn't no whammy drink, because this lady got the same damn shirt I got on. I don't know if I was tripping. Guess she got the sale too, huh?
Oh, her?
Yeah, I got it from Sam's. Manchester Sam's.
I'm putting my coat on.
Oh, your girlfriend look dancing. They done gave me some whammies.
They done
The
gave you
door
a
is wide
A
open.
Mickey. They done gave your girl a Mickey.
Everyone
Oh.
can hear you.
I might need help. That damn Twin Peaks done gave me a Mickey. All right, y'all, let's go. Let's go. Now, y'all already know I'm gonna be all about my scan and go, just to see what kind of clearance they have at this one, because I don't really shop at this one. I normally go to a whole different area. So yeah. And for some reason, my internet is not working good over here at all. So I don't know if I'm in the frame or not, y'all. If I'm not, blame it on this Sam's. Don't blame me. But I'm gonna use my scan and go, and we're gonna see what kind of deals we can find. Come on, Damon. And we're gonna see what kind of deals we could find up in this particular Sam's, because we don't always come to this one. So yeah, I guess Damon and Damani is gonna get some phones. I don't know. We're gonna see what they doing. We get ready to spend about an hour here. And he ain't even had nothing to drink. So we're finally leaving. Look, and we don't have much.
$100.
Yeah, you used that free gift card you just got?
No.
Really?
Cash only.
Yeah, right. I don't believe that. Now I know he lying. Them pockets super tight. I know he lying.
Cashed them out.
Yeah, right.
All big faces. Blue faces.
Blue face. Shout out to Shine. And I guess we're on our way home. I don't know, y'all. Today feels like it's been a long, long day. Right, we only been out here about 3 hours. And I still got a lot of stuff to do. Jeez.
I woke up.
We on our way home, and we decided not to go to the mall. We really didn't have to get nothing anyway. I mean, I kind of wanted to try those shoes on, but it ain't no big deal. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Also, don't forget to watch my entire video. It helps my channel when you subscribe, as well as thumbs up and comments. I gotta figure out a better way of saying that. Anyway.
Yeah. That's all I get.
Right. Yeah, like I said, y'all, we out of here. Y'all be safe. Peace.